Hello and welcome back to Knowledge is the Key. In today's video, we're unlocking the door to your potential blogging career. We will guide you through 9 essential steps to transform your passion into a profitable blog. With professional bloggers making between $25,000 to $100,000 annually as per a 2021 survey by ConvertKit, it's clear that blogging can go from being a hobby or side hustle to a full-time endeavor. Whether you're drawn to the worlds of food, fashion, finance, or fitness, we're here to help you navigate your way to blog profitability. So, grab a notebook and let's get started. Step 1. Choose your niche. Let's start with the basics. Your blog's niche is its focused topic area. Now, choosing a niche isn't rocket science, but it's crucial to get it right. It should be a subject you're passionate about, something that gets your creative juices flowing. But there's more to it than that. Take for example, you love gardening. That's a great start, but gardening is a broad topic. So, you'll need to narrow it down. Maybe you focus on urban gardening or organic vegetable gardening. This focused approach helps set your blog apart. But passion isn't enough. You also need to think about the competition and the potential for monetization. Let's stick with our gardening example. If there are already thousands of blogs about organic vegetable gardening, standing out could be a challenge. And if there aren't companies or products related to your niche, monetization could be tricky. So, here's your homework. Do some research. See what's already out there. Use tools like Google Trends or SEMrush to understand what people are searching for. And then, carve out a unique space for your content. Finding the right niche might take some time, but it's worth the effort. Remember, a strong foundation is essential for any successful blog. Step 2. Choose a blogging platform. There are plenty of platforms available, but one of the most popular is WordPress due to its flexibility and user-friendly interface. Other options include Blogger, Squarespace, and Wix. Weigh the pros and cons of each platform before making a decision. Step 3. Pick a domain name. This is your blog's address on the web, like www.yourblogname.com. It should be related to your niche, easy to remember, and as short as possible. There are several domain registrars out there, including GoDaddy and Namecheap. Step 4. Get web hosting. A web host is where your website lives on the internet. For beginners, shared hosting options like Bluehost and SiteGround are affordable and reliable. These hosts often include a free domain name for the first year. Step 5. Design your blog. Most blogging platforms offer free themes to help you get started. Aim for a design that reflects your brand and is easy to navigate. Remember, first impressions matter. You can always upgrade to a premium theme later. Step 6. Create essential pages. These include your About page, Contact page, and Privacy policy page. Make sure your readers know who you are, how to reach you, and that you value their privacy. Step 7. Plan and publish your content. Consistency is key when blogging. Plan your content in advance and try to stick to a posting schedule. Make sure your posts are well written, informative, and engaging. Use SEO best practices to increase your visibility on search engines. Tools like Yoast SEO can be extremely helpful. Step 8. Promote your blog. Share your content on social media, email newsletters, and by engaging with other bloggers. Building an audience takes time, so be patient and persistent. Step 9. Monetize your blog. Once you've built a consistent readership, you can start monetizing. This could be through affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, selling products or services, or placing ads on your blog. In a nutshell, starting a profitable blog takes hard work and dedication, but with passion and persistence, it can provide a significant income stream. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So why not take that first step today? For more tips on making money and gaining knowledge, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for our next video. Happy blogging!